Welcome to the second devlog for Space Nomads. Today I'm going to show you the improved main menu and UI theme I have going on. I'm going to show you the minimap, I'm going to show you the guidance ring, the updated inventory system. I'm going to show you the crew user interface and some ship shields. So this is the updated main menu. We have some fog added into the background. We have improved star effects in the background. We have an updated UI theme here. We also have a different cursor, as you can see, when I hover over the buttons. So nice, simple, small things like that can really add to the polish of a game. This is the updated Galaxy map menu, which isn't really much different. There's no new features in here, it's just a slight visual change. Moving on to the minimap system, we have in the bottom left corner, you can see it there, we can zoom in and out of this minimap. So it's basically an orthographic camera pointing downwards at the scene, and only certain objects are allowed to be on the minimap, and they're represented with an icon. So the green one in the middle is the player. We have asteroid fields, planets, stars, the gateway, and space stations, which you can see in the back there. We also have the ship guidance ring around the ship. I'm going to make this look more high-tech going forward, so it's going to look a lot better than this. So this shows important structures within the system, and will very soon also show nearby threats such as pirates. Now here we have the updated inventory system, well, the user interface. So if I right click any ship in the game, we'll be able to see the inventory of that ship, and we can drag across items. So I just give myself a few, we can drag this over, and we can drag it back. Now if I was to leave this ship and transfer it into another one, for example, anything in this ship's inventory will stay there, so you'll have to be careful not to leave any precious items behind. Yeah, and that's it for the inventory updates. And something completely new is the crew user interface. So in here, these are the crew members that are currently on your ship. They have names, titles, and a bit of background to them. The avatars are currently taken from a different game just to test with, but I will have my own avatars in there at some point. And this button here, which isn't functional yet, will allow you to open this crew member's journal. So think of it like the captain's log in Star Trek. They will update this whenever things happen in the world. So for example, if you attack some pirates or attack a civilian spaceship, some of these crew members might have something to say about that. They might feel negatively about you, or they might feel positively about you. Also, these crew members, the names and the avatars are also moddable. So as you can see here in the persistent data path, we have avatars, game saves, and strings. So for example, in the strings, if I want to add a few custom first names, we can add it into here. These will be in addition to the default string list that's in the game. So if you put your name in here, you will at some point see it in the game. And the same applies for the avatars, so female, hermaphrodite, and male. So this was just a test, which this does show up in the game. So you can add your own avatars in here to add to the pool. Now, one of my favorite updates for this video is the ship shield system. So if I attack some of these pirates now, they will have a nice little hit effect. So I'm just going to get up close so you can see it a bit better. It's a directional shield hit effect. And once the shields are down, you can destroy the ship. And there we go. I know this was a rather short devlog, but that's what I've added since the last one, pretty much. A few things behind the scenes, of course, but these are just some of the things I can visually show you. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one.